Hey everyone. Right now I have some videos of mental chemistry uploading. So in the meantime I just decided to go over the chakra systems with you. And we got this information off this website. It's called Chakra Anatomy. It's really good stuff. Go check it out. I decided to write it down because it helps me remember what I read more. That being said, let's get started. Discover your energetic self. Perhaps you know what a chakra is, or you may have read or heard about chakras, and you know that there is more to you than just your physical body. You know that your body is an energetic system through which the universal life force flows. Your 7 chakras are a part of this energetic system. They are a part of your energetic self. They connect you with the larger part of yourself, the universe, and at the same time they hold the secrets of your unique self, your unique individual soul. Maybe you are curious and you want to learn more about your chakras, these powerhouses of energy, spinning wheels of life. And maybe you want to explore ways of balancing and healing your subtle body. Or perhaps you want to learn more about your connection with the universe, to all that is around you and within you. And maybe you like to rediscover and reconnect with the unique soul residing within the deepest parts of yourself. Whether you are an experienced or a beginning student, healer, or spiritual seeker, you will find much information on this website. Begin exploring basic knowledge or delve deeper into topics of healing, self-discovery, and transformation. That's just the introduction, you guys. They have a lot of great stuff on there. Right now I'm only going to go over the chakra systems. They have a lot of other categories as well. And I strongly encourage you to check it out. So the first chakra, Muladhara. It is the root chakra. And this red one right here, that's the Muladhara. So 7 chakras. First chakra, root chakra, Muladhara. The root chakra is the first chakra, and it is located at the base of the spine. It is the root of your being and establishes the deepest connections with your physical body, your environment, and with the earth. Muladhara is the most instinctual of all chakras. It is your survival center. Your fight and flight response is initiated from this chakra. This is the stem of your primal animal nature. The energy of Muladhara allows us to harness courage, resourcefulness, and the will to live during trying times. It connects us with the spiritual energy of our ancestors, their challenges, and their triumphs, since base chakra carries our ancestral memories. Basically, everyone experiences challenges or blockages within Muladhara. War, famine, natural disasters, and any events that threaten our basic survival are all recorded within energies of our first chakra. These memories are imprinted in the subtle body and are passed down from generation to generation, creating unconscious generational patterns. It is our work to take responsibility for our own lives and bring to light that which is unconscious, that which is unconscious within us. All of the 7 chakras are important and interconnected with each other. Usually, balancing one chakra creates a change in the others. It is important, though, to balance the root chakra first, before we proceed to others, or we will lack the stability and rootedness necessary for true transformation and personal growth. We cannot grow and change unless we feel safe and secure. Muladhara characteristics. Sanskrit name, Muladhara, root support. The element is earth. The color, red. Shape, square. Petals of the lotus, 4. Seed sound, laying. Vowel sound, O. Rights, to have. Endocrine gland, adrenal cortex. Physical association, the skeletal structure, teeth, large intestines, kidneys, blood. Psychological function, survival and self-preservation. Identity, physical identity. Development stage, womb to 12 months. Challenge, fear. Plane, physical plane. Planets, Saturn and Earth. Deity, Brahma, Dakini, and Ganesha. Mythological animal, the white elephant with 7 trunks. Sense organ is the nose. Predominant sense is a smell. Incense, cedar. Herb, sage. Sapphira, Malka, and Tarot, sweet, pentacles. Root chakra affirmations. And for those of you who don't know what affirmations are, they are self-suggestions. You are affirming who you are. You are a creator. You are responsible for creating your character. I feel deeply rooted. I am connected with my body. I feel safe and secure, just like a tree or a star. I have a right to be here. I stand for my values, for truth, and for justice. I have what I need. I am grounded, stable, and standing on my own 2 feet. I nurture my body with healthy food, clean water, exercise, relaxation, and connection with nature. I am open to possibilities. I am grateful for all the challenges that help me grow and transform. I trust in the goodness of life. I make choices that are healthy and good for me. I trust myself, and I love life. There's also another thing I would like to go with you guys. I have my NASM book with me. And do you guys remember in mental chemistry when Charles F. Hannell explains how the physical aspect of our being is only the physical aspect of our being is a manifestation of chemical reactions? I want to read this thing to you. It's about the endocrine system. The endocrine system is the one that releases specific hormones or glands, whatever the case may be, inside of the body, the chemical affinities. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is a system of glands that secrete hormones into the bloodstream to regulate a variety of bodily functions, including the control of mood, growth and development, tissue function, and metabolism. The endocrine system consists of host organs known as glands, chemical messengers, hormones, and target cells or receptor cells. Once a hormone is secreted from a gland, it travels through the bloodstream to target cell designed to receive its message. The target cells have hormone-specific receptors, ensuring that each hormone will communicate with only with specific target cells. Along the way, special proteins bind to some hormones, acting as carriers to control the amount of hormone that is available to interact with and affect the target cell. So basically, the endocrine system releases the necessary hormones within the bloodstream, because it is the bloodstream which all the carbs, all the fats, all the proteins, literally everything is transferred, oxygen, iron, through the bloodstream. That is how the cells are alive, from your blood, this blood plasma. The endocrine system is responsible for regulating multiple bodily functions to stabilize the body's internal environment, much like a thermostat regulates the temperature in a room. The term endocrine literally means hormone secreting. Hormones produced by the endocrine system virtually affect all forms of human function, including, but not limited to, triggering muscle contraction, stimulating protein and fat synthesis, activating enzyme systems, regulating growth and metabolism, and determining how the body will physically and emotionally respond to stress. So now that you guys have an idea of what the endocrine system is and what its responsibility is, we're going to go over how the fight and flight system with the Muladhara chakra. First, we're going to go over which glands there are. Okay, the endocrine glands. The primary endocrine glands are the hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands. The pituitary gland is often referred to as the master gland of the endocrine system because it controls the functions of the other endocrine glands. The pituitary has 3 different sections or lobes, the anterior, intermediate, and posterior lobes, and each lobe secretes specific types of hormones. Okay. I will save the rest of that for another time, and I will save the rest of all this for another time. So we're going to go straight to the catecholamines, the adrenaline system, the fight or flight system, which the Muladhara chakra is responsible for. The two catecholamines, epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, and norepinephrine, are hormones secreted by the adrenal glands, which are situated on top of each kidney. These hormones help prepare the body for activity. More specifically, they are part of the stress response known as the fight or flight system. In preparation for activity, the hypothalamus, part of the brain, triggers the adrenal glands to secrete more epinephrine. This will have a number of specific physiological effects that will help sustain exercise activity. So when you're psychologically into a state of survival mode, the hypothalamus tells the kidneys to secrete these catecholamines, these adrenaline hormones. And when it does, it increases the heart rate and stroke volume, it elevates blood glucose levels, it redistributes blood to working tissues, and it opens up the airways. Well, that's all I have for you on Muladhara chakra. The next chakra we have is, I want to say it's Svadhisthana. Let me check really quick. Yes sir. The second one is the sacral chakra, the Svadhisthana. It is for movement and connection and creation. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.